The ST Cloud from Sourcetronic is a monitoring software that brings together all the relevant process data from your projects and systems. You can see an overview of your projects on the Start page. Each project is displayed as a tile, and each of your systems is assigned to such a project. The most important information, such as water levels, temperatures, or any error messages, are already shown on these tiles. This means that the status of all projects can be seen at a glance. Clicking on View Details opens the respective overview page of a project. The structure of such a project page is also based on tiles with different content. These can be arranged as desired, depending on the requirements profile for a project. This example project is a well system with several pumps and heat exchangers. The upper area shows project data such as name, location, and information on the next maintenance. The current weather data is also displayed here. Below this is a map showing the location of the system. Next to this is an appealing overview of the status of the individual system components. You can immediately see whether there is a fault and which part of the system has it. The following tiles show more details about the system components. These are the operating modes of the pump stations and heat exchangers, as well as a list of the last messages. Each system component sends measurement data such as frequency, motor current, flow rate or temperatures to a database where they are saved. This data can be displayed graphically as shown here in the diagrams. This provides a picture of the behavior of the respective system components. A table with the measurement data can be exported both as a CSV and as a PDF file. In order to maintain an overview of many systems at different locations, an overview map can be opened via the navigation bar on the left-hand side. This shows all projects and their statuses. This also provides a good overview of any faults. The respective projects can also be accessed via this page. This example shows the operation of a geothermal plant. All information is displayed on the project page. Project data, current statuses, and measured values are shown in the upper section. In the middle section, the data is presented graphically, making it easy to understand the meaning of the measured values. In the lower area, you can see the measured values over time to get an idea of the system's behavior. Various measured values can be selected. Relevant documents can be stored in a project. This data can be accessed quickly with one click. In this example of a geothermal system, you will find information on water rights and the structure of the wells, among other things.